What is up guys? So today unboxing tayo ng bagong package natin in the mail. Kaka-receive lang natin today. So syempre giveaway na yung title. We are unboxing this brand new ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3080 AMP Holo Edition. Haba ng pangalan, no? Pero syempre yun yung naming convention. So unbox na natin. Medyo ingatan lang natin masira yung box kasi same packaging na yung gagamitin natin in case magka-problema in the future. Para hindi na tayo mamroblema. So by the way, napilitan tayo, no? Pero saan tayong napabili ng di oras kasi finally bumigay na yung 980 Ti natin for almost 7 years na gamit. So hindi naman tayo, medyo pricey pero hindi naman tayo bumibili ng video card yearly. So ayan na, no, yung branding sumilip na GeForce RTX 3080. So sana hopefully masulit to for the next 7 years or more. So like I said, hindi naman tayo bumibili ng graphics card yearly, so hopefully masulit naman natin. Almost 1,000, 2,000, and then ito almost tatlong gen din or generation ng graphics card yung skip natin. Well, 2 kasi 900 series yung sa atin, and then ito so may kasama siyang freebie. I think it's a ref magnet, so not bad. Good job ZOTAC Philippines for this nice touch. So ito na, grabe, box pa lang, nakaka-excite. Holographic design yung box niya. Linisin lang natin muna ng mabilis for anti-COVID since pandemic ngayon. So good job again ZOTAC Philippines kasi as requested, sealed yung box niya. Hindi tampered yung seals niya sa both ends ng box. Kasi una nating in order from a different store is a 3070 Ti, but I ended up returning for a refund kasi tampered yung seal niya and may gasgasing unit, so binalik natin. So ngayon ito na kinuha natin from ZOTAC Philippines, yung RTX 3080 3080 AMP Holo Edition. As you can see, 12GB variant. Mas newer version to kasi yung unang lumabas na 3080 only have a 10GB variant for the VRAM. So we got a 12GB variant which is yung newest. So tayo pa lang yung mag-unseal ng box. Nice. So ito na, nakaka-excite actually. It's been a while since we purchased a new graphics card. Yung last time na pinurchase natin is second hand pa. Online natin nakuha yung 980 Ti natin. Pero it lasted for almost 7 years, so sulit na sulit. So ito, yung final box niya. Wala namang design sa ilalim or sa underprint sa box, and eto, documentation yung bumungad sa atin. Ang ganda ng packaging actually. Kudos to ZOTAC. Pati yung packaging ng documentation niya holographic. So ito yung laman, no? Parang pamphlet or I think warranty card. Yeah, and nice touch again for this holographic sticker. And good thing is kasi hindi siya papel, guys. Ano siya? Parang kasamang sticker sa pag bumili ka ng processor. Parang thin aluminum something. So balik tayo sa mismong unboxing, no? May kasama siyang dalawang 8-pin connector. Molex to 8-pin connectors, I think. Pero hindi natin kailangan yan since meron naman tayong supported power supply. So, eto na. Kunin natin itong graphics card. Actually, medyo mabigat nga siya. Parang more than a kilo. Hindi ako nagkamali, parang 1.2 kilos yata to. So let's just get this box out of the way. And eto na. Buksan na natin. As you can see guys, nasa loob siya ng anti-static bag for additional protection. Nakikita ko na siya. Ito. Wow. Look at that. Nice.
Nice.
Ito na siya oh. Our most anticipated RTX 3080 AMP Holo Edition. Ang pogi. Look at that beefy heat pipes. Heat fins. And if I'm not mistaken, 8 heat pipes. Not sure, I still need to double check. Look at that. Wow. The back plates and everything, the hollow strip. Nice. So, napakaganda, no? Ito bali yung pinagmamalaki nilang Holo AMP Holo Edition, which by the way, yung backplate niya is die-cast aluminum, same dun sa parang enforcement niya sa gitna, as you can see. Die-cast aluminum din for additional structural integrity, I think. So look at that beefy heat fins. Kapal ng heatsink niya actually. Then I think if not 9, 10 heat pipes. Still need to double check now. Look at that. Nice. So yung backplate niya may gunmetal finish din. And then some GeForce RTX branding on the left. And then some Live to Game slogan ng ZOTAC and the ZOTAC Gaming logo. And then of course sa gitna yung RGB. Since RGB is live, hindi pwedeng mawala yan. Grabe. Feels premium actually. And then meron siyang tri-fan na which turns off automatically kapag at certain temperature to save power. Then peaking at the back is yung syempre yung heatsink natin. Then some GeForce RTX branding again sa front. Then of course yung pinagmamalaki ng ZOTAC na Holo design nila na nanalo ng design sa red dot. Ganda. Then of course yung 8-pin connectors niya. 2 8-pin connectors yung requirement niya. So medyo pagdating sa power consumption, medyo malakas siya actually. Maximum power na kailangan nito is, if not mistaken, 320 watts. So medyo malakas siya. So silipin lang natin by the way, no, yung strip niya, yung iridescent strip niya or yung hollow design niya. Wow, kinis. Kita nyo naman guys, no? Makinis pa sa akin.
Okay.
Well, hindi ako makinis, pero you get the idea, no? Kinis. Ang downside lang na itong nakikita ko is fingerprint magnet siya and prone siya sa scratches. So, yeah, you really need to handle this with care. Balik muna natin, no? Mamaya natin tanggalin totally. Since i-handle pa natin yung card for installation. So, next up, check natin yung output niya. So, meron siyang 3 display ports and isang HDMI. So, dalawa lang naman yung kailangan natin since 1 HDMI and 1 display port yung monitor na gagamitan natin. So itong other two, blanco yan. Hindi natin kailangan for now. So install na natin sa PC case natin. Nakaka-excite ng gamitin to. By the way, it's a good time na i-check natin yung pins. Tanggalin natin yung cover and then check kung may mga bent pins or may mga deformed na pins sa mga pins nya. This side mukhang okay naman. Then sa kabila mukhang okay din, as expected. So yan, ini-install na natin and make sure lang na yung mga kable hindi tatama sa fans para makaikot yung fans ng maayos. Ito na, to-turn on na natin. Here is the big moment. So eto, ready na tayo. I-on na lang natin yung mismong power and let's see kung may sasabog or kung mag-on ng maayos. Wow! Kita nyo naman guys, kala mo robot na nagkaroon ng buhay. Tingnan nyo naman yan, default RGB pa lang pero napakaganda na. Ewan ko na-appreciate ko lang talaga kasi so yan, nag-post naman siya, nag-post and then nasa Windows login screen na tayo. So na-install na natin yung Firestorm included na software. 37 to 42 degrees Celsius yung stock temperature niya. So right now we're just stress testing. So we're running the firmware para ma-stress test yung video card. So mukhang stable naman siya. Hindi nagka-crash or nagkakaroon ng mga artifacts or blue screen. That's a good sign. And syempre yung best part, peel na natin yung plastic. Ito ang pinakahihintay natin talaga eh. Wow! Nice! Tingnan nyo naman. Napakaganda. Kahit naluma na yung desktop natin, nagmukhang bago ulit dahil sa kanya. Nagkaroon uli ng buhay kumbaga. Oh, parang may party sa loob ng case ko eh. Ayos, it's game time!
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.